Hey folks! If you've got goats on your hobby farm, there's nothing quite like the thrill and nerves of kidding season. Watching a doe bring new life into the world is incredible, but I know it can get stressful fast if you're not prepared. So let's talk about how I help my does give birth safely step by step, so you can feel ready instead of rattled. First up, the final weeks of pregnancy. This is crunch time. I make sure my pregnant does get a little extra protein and calcium in their diet to support those fast-growing kids. I create a clean, cozy kidding pen. Think dry bedding, fresh water, and good ventilation. It's gotta be a space where she feels safe and where I can keep an eye on her day or night. I always have my kidding kit ready to roll. Here's what I keep handy: disposable gloves, clean towels, iodine for dipping navels, a bulb syringe for clearing airways, and a flashlight for late-night checks. Trust me, you don't want to be scrambling for supplies when the action starts. Now, how do I know when a doe is about to kid? There are a few telltale signs. Her udder will swell, the ligaments by her tail will soften, and she might start acting restless, pawing at the bedding or separating from the herd. Once I spot these, I clear my schedule and keep checking on her frequently. When labor kicks in, most does do just fine on their own. But sometimes a kid can get stuck or come out backwards. If I see a nose and hooves, that's normal. But if nothing's happening after strong pushing, I'll gently glove up and check. Sometimes a gentle reposition is all it takes. And if it's more complicated, like twins tangled up, or she's been straining for over half an hour with no progress, I don't hesitate to call the vet. As soon as a kid is born, I clear any membranes from its nose and mouth so it can breathe. I dry them off with a towel and dip that little umbilical cord in iodine to prevent infection. But the job's not over yet. Each kid needs to nurse colostrum, their mom's first milk, within the first hour. That stuff is liquid gold. I help them latch if they're struggling, and I keep a close eye on the doe for any signs of trouble, like retained placenta or milk fever. With a little prep and a lot of care, you can make kidding season a safe, smooth experience for your goats and for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me. Drop any questions you've got below, and happy kidding!